Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I want to give you a little status update on something I did to my car the other day. On Friday I got Llumnar Formula One tint installed. It is the highest trim level, I guess, called Stratos, and it is made out of 3 films of tint. It blocks about 99% of UV light. This brand is pretty good because I've had this on a previous car. It will help protect your car's interior from cracking and other types of damage from ultraviolet radiation. So I got this tint down in Chesapeake, Virginia over at Jay's Auto Cleaning. So if you're in the Hamptons Road area, do give them a shout. They have other tiers of tint. They got the cheapest one is like $1.99, including labor. They're pretty quick. It took them about an hour and a half on average to do this type of job for a sedan. A little bit more expensive if you have a truck or SUV. So here's a look of the exterior. It's Virginia legal, so 35 in the rear blockage and I think 50 blockage on the front. I'm not sure if that's correct, but it's 35-50 combo. So if you go look in, you can see that you still have that little dummy tape that says don't roll down the window. So for this version of the tint, you do want to not roll down your windows for about 2 days. So it's been about 2 days, so I'm going to keep that on for one more night just to be safe, so nothing will happen. So we should I guess go get inside and see how it looks from the inside. So I can tell doesn't really, you can still see very clearly from the inside of the car. In the back, you don't see that much difference, so that's a good thing. So I want to come back out and give one final look, do a whole wraparound view of the car, starting from the front. So yeah, you can see right through, clear as day. Get a little bit closer, you can, a little bit rainy, cloudy, but may not be as good. But yeah, I have no problems with this tint before. I've had it in a previous car for about 1.5 years. And it looks pretty good with that silver paint job that comes with the car. So that will wrap up this video. So this is Stratos by Llumnar Formula One. It is a tint. Cool thing about the company is they have their manufacturing facilities in Southside Virginia somewhere, probably like Danville, South Boston, and they are they're owned by Eastman Chemical. So if you're from Southwest Virginia or Northeast Tennessee, that will be a familiar name. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.